Example 4. Using mathematical induction, prove that 1 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7 and so on, 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 is equals to n times 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. And to prove by mathematical induction, the first step is that the statement must be true for n is equals to 1. So, I consider for n is equals to 1. For n is equals to 1 in the statement for one term, the first term is 1 into 3, that is equals to 3. Whereas RHS value n equals to 1, when you substitute 1 into 4 into 1 square plus 6 into 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 9 by 3, that is equals to 3. So LHS you got is as 3 and RHS you got 3. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. It means the statement is true for n is equals to 1. So P1 is true. So the next step, we assume the statement is true for n is equals to k. So let P k be true. It means the statement is true for k values. Let Pk be true. That implies left hand side k terms 1 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7 and so on, and 2k minus 1 multiply by 2k plus 1, that is equals to k times 4k square plus 6k minus 1 divided by 3. This you take it as a condition 1. This is for condition 1. Now we have to prove, okay, to prove that statement is true for k plus 1. Let to prove Pk plus 1 is true. So that is, we have to prove 1 into 3, 3 into 5, plus 5 into 7 and so on, 2k minus 1 multiply by 2k plus 1. This is a kth term. K plus 1th term is obtained by adding, okay, by replacing k with k plus 1 in the kth term. That will become 2k plus 1 multiply by 2k plus 3. K plus 1th term, that should be equals to right hand side in this given expression, replace n with k plus 1. So k plus 1 multiply by 4 times k plus 1 taken whole square plus 6 times k plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3. So divided by 3. This is RHS value for the statement for k plus 1. The statement for k plus 1. So to prove this result, let me consider LHS in the statement for k plus 1 is 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus and so on, and 2k minus 1 multiply by 2k plus 1 plus 2k plus 1 multiply by 2k plus 3 is equals to. So left hand side clearly can see that for k number of terms, the summation from the condition 1, yes, from the condition 1, from here we can replace it here. The value summation for k terms is can be replaced by k by 3 times, so 4k square plus 6k minus 1 plus, and the k plus 1th term is 2k plus 1 multiply by 2k plus 3. Okay, in the given RHS value of k plus 1th term, you have k plus 1 into something divided by 3. So I have 1 by 3 common. So why don't you take 1 by 3 common here? If I take 1 by 3 common, what else remaining? Multiply k, you can multiply, you can rewrite this one as a 4k cube plus 6k square minus k, but you don't have 3 in this factor, so you have to multiply by 3 times. 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 product is 4k square 8k plus 3. Okay, let me open the bracket and simplifies this. Can be written it as 4k cube plus 1 by 3 times, that is equals to 1 by 3 times 4k cube plus 6k square, 4k cube plus 6k square minus k plus 3 times 4k square is nothing but 12k square. It is 12k square plus 3 8s are 24 plus 9 plus 24k plus 9. So that is equals to, and simplifying this can be written it as 1 by 3 times. So keep the 4k cube as it is. Let me simplify these values. 6k square, 12k square is 18k square, and minus k plus 24 will become 23 times of k plus 9. But in the RHS, we have to get it in the form 1 by 3 into k plus 1 multiply by. So 4 times of k plus 1 whole square plus 6 times of k plus 1 minus 1. I am supposed to get this one in RHS of for the statement of k plus 1. So what I do, I will try to extract k plus 1 factor in this one. Okay, 1 by 3 times to get k plus 1. This can be written it as 4k cube. 18k square can be written as 4k square plus 14k square, together 18k square. Since I have 14k square here, 23 can be written it as 14k plus 9k, so that together is 23k plus remaining 9, keep it as it is. That can be written it as 1 by 3 times the first two factors 4k square common, you get it k plus 1, and 14 times of k take up common, you get it k plus 1 plus 9 times of k plus 1. Overall the total, all the terms you find k plus 1 is a common factor. So k plus 1 by 3, k plus 1 by 3 multiply by, so 4k square and 14k. So 14 times of k plus 9, and now I have to get 4 times of k plus 1 whole square. For that one, what I do, I rewrite this one as, so 4k square plus 8k plus 4, so that this will become 4 times of k plus 1 whole square. But already there are 14k and I have took 8k, remaining is 6k. Remaining is 6k, and among 9 can be written it as a plus 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, and subtracting 1, that gives you 9 here. So 4 plus 6 is 10 minus 9, the value will not be changed. So that can be rewritten it as k plus 1 by 3 times of, so 4 times k plus 1 taken whole square, 6 times of k plus 1 minus 1, and that is RHS value in the statement for k plus 1. So automatically that implies p plus 1 the statement P for k plus 1 is true, and that implies that Pn is true for all n belongs to n by mathematical induction. So hence the proof of it.